What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I will be cleaning these Vans Slip-ons with Reshoevn8r's 3-brush sneaker laundry system and Sneaker Laundry Detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. You can find all these products in the description below, so go ahead and check out Reshoevn8r.com, guys. But without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this video, I am only gonna be cleaning the right shoe. So I'm gonna put the left one onto the floor. And the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. Now, we do get a lot of questions on how to do that. So what you do is you just pop off these little metal tongs here by clicking them together. Go ahead and adjust it to your desired size. I cheated and I already know where it goes. You wanna make sure that the shoe tree looks like this as you put it in. And then when you press down, it's an easy, nice push, and that's gonna go ahead and allow you to apply more pressure when you're cleaning that toe cap. All right, guys, the next thing to do is grab our bottle of solution. Just pour a few small squirts into our bowl of water. And the first brush I'm gonna begin with is the soft bristle brush. All right, I think I'm done with that soft bristle brush. Let's go ahead and check out the shoe. Now, I do still have a few deep stains, guys. Not sure if you can see that right here in this area and also on the back heel right here. There's some deeper stains. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use our medium bristle brush to go ahead and get some of those deeper stains out. And then I'll move on to the midsole and the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, so I just got done hitting up the uppers with the medium brush. Unfortunately, the stains are still there, and this one right here as well. Hopefully the laundry system can go ahead and flush that out. I'm not exactly sure what caused the stain. It looks yellow in this little dot here and right here. So hopefully it's not like paint or anything that's gonna stain it, but we won't know until I put it in the laundry system. But next up, guys, is the midsole and the outsole. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that with the stiff bristle brush. All right, guys, I think I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Go ahead and check that out. One thing I want to point out before moving on to putting the shoe in the laundry bag is the dingy look that the uppers are having. As you can see, it's not as white as like the midsole. It's kind of dingy color. If you don't use a laundry system and you just try to pre-treat it like I just did right now, unfortunately, that dingy color is not going to go away. Because this canvas material has layers, all you're really doing when you're cleaning it is just pushing dirt deeper into the layers, and when it dries, it's going to look brown. So you always want to make sure you put these in the wash. So let's go ahead, grab our laundry bag now. Put the shoes in there like so. Always want to make sure you lock it down with both straps. And if you wanted to, guys, if this is too much and it's too extra, what you can do is just wrap it around your shoe and then tie it with the other one. And boom, you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are in the wash. It's gonna be our last and final step. All I'm gonna do is put the shoes in the washer, use about 1 ounce of our detergent, put on cold water, normal cycle, leave it for about an hour, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry for a few days, and as you can see, they clean up super nice. Now I'm super impressed, guys, with this cleaning. I know what a lot of you guys are gonna say, Vans look better all beat up and crusty. In my opinion, if I see like a fine little shorty and she got some dusty Vans, it's a no-go for me. But that's just me. But anyways, guys, I went ahead and cleaned these up using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and Sneaker Laundry Detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you check out the description below for a little promo code. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.